In this tutorial I will talk about these variables, special variables. This one I have already covered. So we'll see environment variables and special variables. Okay, so let's copy this and create a script for this one to understand deeply. Document special variables .sh, as I'll put in small letters. Paste this. Now what I'm doing is I'm commenting each and every line so that interpreter will ignore this. Let's give the shebang. Search, save. Okay, so let's start. So first one, what I'm doing is I'm printing the file name. So let's give the echo file name $0. Okay, next one is the parameters. I'll pass two parameters, parameter 1 and parameter 2. Okay, next one is all parameters. So I'll give star all parameters. Next one is number of parameters. For that give $pound. Next one is process ID, shell process ID $. Next one is status of the last executed command, status of last executed command. To check this, use question mark, then all the parameters separated by double quotes, echo $, then @. Now let's run this. Open terminal. Okay, so what is the file name? sh-x. File name is special variable.sh. Now I'll give two parameters, param1, param2. Okay, now press enter. Okay, so first one is file name is special variable.sh, right? Now we'll see the second one, parameter 1, parameter 2. Okay, total number of parameters passed 2. And what is the process ID? If you want, you can check echo of the shell, it is 5817. so if I give only this, so it is different, right? Because it is calling from a different shell, correct? Now status of the last executed command. So last executed command was this one. So for the what is the output of this? 0. 0 means success. Okay, all the parameters separated by double quotes. So this is parameter 1, this is parameter 2, right? So I'll put something else here. I'll put ksh, or I'll take bash shell. Okay, and for this one I'll give some wrong command, cat abc. Okay, save this. Now run this. This time I'll give -x. Okay, now the status of the command is, for this one, if you see, it is coming as 1 5871. If I see the process ID it is 5817, but it is calling from bash shell, that's why. A number of parameters separated by this is okay. So this is the output of this. You can print the output without -x if you don't want to debug. This is the output. Okay, so every time it is changing. Okay, if you see the process ID. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment, and thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next tutorial.